Yesterday I was running machines and today I'm running people. And nobody gave me a manual for this. This is how an operator might feel who just recently got promoted to being a supervisor. The fear of failing, the fear of doing something wrong, the imposter syndrome, all of this is very, very real. Now, Adrian, if you would be one of those employees, what are your options?
Well, Karin, there is a big difference between operating a machine and leading people. You need a new skill set. If I was promoted, I would not hesitate asking my manager for feedback. I would like to know what I do well and in which areas I can improve.
This is like excellent advice. It's about having a new skill set and also a new mindset because as a supervisor, you have to show up totally differently.
Right. Now, Karin, if you had someone promoted within your team as their manager, what would you do?
I would become really, really curious about the person. Who is this person on my team? What are the needs? What are the motivations? What are the values? What do they enjoy doing? What are challenges I can help with? So, of course, setting clear expectations is important, but even more important is to have regular touch point sessions, maybe even daily at the beginning, can be very short so that the person feels really cared for. That's important. Great questions to ask. What is your biggest challenge right now? What do you enjoy being in this new position? And another great question, of course, is what can I do better as your manager?
Mm. So to summarize, if you are being promoted, ask for feedback. If you are the manager, be interested in the person first and then offer help and support for the newly promoted employee. And this,
100%.
yes, and this was our message for today. And we will definitely see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.